So, I'm back at magkwekwentuhan ulit tayo. Hi, my name is Bebs and I help Filipinos work smarter, not harder, so they can earn money online while working from home and build a life they actually love. So, last week I talked about what funnel designers actually do and how much we earn. So, this week, as I promised, I'm telling you exactly how I get my very first funnel design client. So, kung iniisip mo ngayon na like kung paano nga ba talaga makakakuha ng first client, yung isang tao na wala pang portfolio, wala pang track record, kumbaga, then this story will show you exactly how. Okay, so let me bring you back to where this all started. So I was a VA sa isang client ko which has an ad agency. At ang ginagawa ko doon is nag-edit ako ng videos, gumagawa ako ng basic graphics designs para sa mga ad assets nila for the clients. So doon ako nagsimula, like $2 per hour rate until naging $5 per hour. And then one day my client asked me if I can design a landing page. Tapos sasabi ko, yes, I can do it. Kahit hindi ko pa alam talaga kung paano gawin yun. So, I built my very first landing page design in ClickFunnels. So, template pa lang yung gamit ko nun. So, natuto lang ako sa mga tutorials habang ginagawa ko siya. Yun yung time na nag-spark sa akin yung interest na, oh, gusto ko mag-funnel design, na gusto ko talaga tong gawin for my clients. So, hindi lang as a VA work or task sa agency na yon. So, what I did is nag-resign ako doon and nag-aral ako mag-funnel design. Pero, yung problem is, 14 days free trial lang ang meron si ClickFunnels. So, ClickFunnels pa before yung talagang popular na platform. Wala pa yung si System.io, wala pa si Go High Level. So, hindi enough for me yung time na 14 days para matutunan ko lahat. So, nag-isip ako ng other way. So, nag-sign up ako sa 14 days free trial ni ClickFunnels and ang ginawa ko is nag-practice ako mag-build ng funnels, mag-design ng mga pages inside para pwede kong maipakita or ma-showcase sa client ko later. That will be my proof na kaya ko yung mag-funnel design, na kaya ko mag-build ng funnels for the client. So, in that 14 days, nag-practice ako ng funnel building, nag-design ako ng mga pages na pwede kong i-showcase later para maipakita ko as proof of my skill na kaya kong gumawa at mag-design ng funnels. So, in-screenshot ko yung mga ginawa ko, like yung every page I built, every design na ginawa ko, in-screenshot ko siya. Kasi kailangan kong magkaroon ng something na may papakita ko, as portfolio, kahit na galing lang siya sa practice. And this is something na tinuturo ko inside Elite Funnel Designers Academy. Like, paano gamitin yung mga free trials ng mga platforms strategically, hindi lang para i-explore lang. Pero yung core idea is that yung free trial period mo, it's not a limitation. Actually, siya yung window mo para mag-build ng proof. At yung proof na yun yung gagamitin mo para makakuha ng totoong opportunity. After those 14 days free trial, meron na akong portfolio, 'di ba? So, hindi nga lang siya client work, but it looked professional and that's a good start as a person na walang design background. But it showed like I knew what I was doing. So, meron akong naka-ready na portfolio. Ang next kong ginawa is, I went looking for opportunity. So, during that time, I was enrolled to my very first paid course, isang freelancing course. So, I don't know if it's still running right now. It's Create and Rise Academy ni Demi Bernice. So, doon ko actually nakilala yung mga masasabi kong expert sa freelancing right now, like si Sheena Santos, si Thea Peralta, si Hara Amago, doon si Sheena Gorgonio, and marami pang iba. Kaya lang wala na siyang coaching nung pumasok ako, so hindi ko naabutan yun. I wish na meron pa kasi sobrang hirap kapag hindi mo matanong yung coach. So, going back to my story, inside that course, isa sa mga task is to look for clients or to look where your ideal clients is hanging out. So, ang naisip ko agad, onlinejobs.ph kasi doon ko madalas nakikita yung mga nagpo-post na kailangan nila ng VAs, ng freelancers, yung mga ganun. So, naghanap ako ng clients na naghahanap ng funnel designer with ClickFunnels experience. Tapos, nakita ko tong post na to. So, i-flash ko na lang dito sa screen. So, this client was looking for a ClickFunnels page designer and yung offer niya is $30 per funnel. So, at that point, wala pa akong actual paid funnel design experience, wala pa akong testimonial, wala akong proof na mapapakita. So, instead of applying normally and asking for that $30 rate, I made a different offer. So, nag-reach out ako dun sa kanya and sabi ko, I am a VA with ClickFunnels design experience and I'm currently building my portfolio. And ide-design ko yung kanyang funnel for free in exchange for testimonial. So, that's actually my goal. Kailangan ko lang ng experience. So, nag-reply siya and he asked me for proof. Like, nagtanong siya kung meron akong screenshot of my works. So, 'di ba? Remember, sinabi ko kanina na ini-screenshot ko lahat ng mga pinag-practicean ko na funnels using that 14-day free trial ni ClickFunnels. So, yun exactly yung sinend ko sa client na yon. I-flash ko dito sa screen ulit kung ano yung itsura nun. Sobrang basic lang yung design nun. Pero, this client, pumayag siya na gawin ko yung funnel niya in exchange for testimonial. And he didn't want me to work for free. Magbabayad siya ng $3 per hour. I know na hindi malaki yung $3 per hour na rate, pero hindi kasi yun yung point. Yung point is, nakakuha ako ng totoong opportunity to explore funnel design as a paid skill, like real client, real project. So, ginawa ko yung work, talagang full effort, like full attention to detail kasi alam ko this was my chance to prove myself. Then, nung nakita ni client yung first funnel na ginawa ko, like yung landing page, yung quality ng work ko, nakita niya, he asked me to design 2 more funnels. At dahil doon, nagkaroon ako ng totoong client experience. Kasi for me, sobrang important na meron kang experience and ma-prove mo sa client na you can do the job. This is not yung sinasabi nilang fake it till you make it because I already knew that time what I was doing. So, binayaran ako ni client after that 3 funnel design project. Kaya lang, ito yung problem. Hindi ko pwedeng i-add yung ginawa ko as portfolio ko. Yung 3 funnel, hindi siya pwedeng i-add sa portfolio. Plus, hindi pa ako binigyan ng testimonial ni client. So, paano na? At yung ipapakita kong proof sa mga future funnel clients ko, 'di ba? Kung wala ako nun. But I told myself na kaya ko na kahit wala na yung mga yun dahil mas naging confident naman ako sa pagde-design ng funnel after that client experience. So, naghanap na ako ng next client ko and this time, hindi na ako nag-offer for free. So, nakapag-close ako ng another client and became part of her team and I charged $25 per hour on that client. O, di ba, ang laking jump from $3 per hour to $25 per hour. So, what can you take from my story? There's actually 3 things. So, first, yung free trials, they are not just for exploring. They are tools for building proof. So, use that limited time intentionally. Like, mag-build ka ng something that you can show to your clients. Even though na practice lang sila. Yun yung magiging portfolio mo kahit na wala ka pang paid client. Second is, offering free work strategically is not the same as undervaluing yourself. I didn't offer free work to just anyone. I offered it in exchange for something like, for example, yung testimonial, for experience, for proof. It was a strategic trade and not a desperate move. And then third, quality work speaks for itself. Kasi yun yung nag-convince sa client ko na magpa-build pa ulit ng another funnel tapos binayaran ako. So, pinakita ko lang yung quality ng work ko at siya na yung nag-decide na magbigay pa ng additional project which made me explore more. So, kung wala ka pang client ngayon, like wala ka pang portfolio, wala ka pang masasabing track record, that's okay. Pwede mong gawin yung ginawa ko. Mag-practice ka, gamitin mo yung mga free tools na available, i-screenshot mo lahat ng mga pinagpraktisan mo at maghanap ka ng opportunity where you can show your skill kahit free lang muna. And then who knows, magustuhan din nila yung quality of your work at bigyan ka pa nila ng more projects na talagang babayaran na nila. So that's the real story na kung paano ako nakakuha ng first funnel design client ko. Pero you know what? That wasn't even my biggest jump. Kasi hindi pa natapos doon yung kwento ko. There is another client, like, an opportunity na hindi sa onlinejobs.ph nanggaling, hindi sa job platform. At yung client na yun, yung sinabi ko kanina, nagbigay sa akin ng $25 per hour. So, paano nangyari yun? That's exactly what I'm going to share with you on my next week's video. Yung second strategy ko na yun, yung talagang nagpa-level up sa career ko as a funnel designer. And also, one of the client getting strategy I teach inside Elite Funnel Designers Academy, and sure ako na hindi mo gugustuhin ma-miss yung video na yun. Make sure na nakasubscribe ka sa channel ko and don't forget to hit that bell notification button below para hindi mo ma-miss yung mga upcoming videos ko. So, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, let's build something together.